Our planet's history is written in stone, ice, and the fossilized bones of creatures long gone. Imagine a world of vast grasslands and immense ice sheets. The Pleistocene Epoch, the Great Ice Age. Among the giants of this era, one predator stood out, the dire wolf, the fearsome dog. Heavier and stronger than today's gray wolf, the dire wolf was built for hunting the colossal herbivores of its time. For hundreds of thousands of years, its howl echoed across the Americas. To understand the dire wolf, we must journey back in time, piecing together its story from fossils found in tar pits, riverbeds, and frozen soils. Each bone is a clue. The dire wolf thrived during the Pleistocene Epoch, from about 250,000 to 12,000 years ago, a time of dramatic climate swings and shifting landscapes. Its range stretched from Canada to South America, but it was most abundant in what's now the United States. The Brea tar pits in Los Angeles have yielded over 4,000 dire wolf fossils, offering a unique window into their world. The dire wolf's world was dominated by megafauna, ancient bison, horses, camels, mammoths, and giant sloths. This abundance of large prey created the perfect niche for a powerful predator. For over 200,000 years, dire wolves adapted to changing climates and habitats. At first glance, the dire wolf might easily be mistaken for a larger, more robust version of today's gray wolf. Their overall body plan shared many similarities, reflecting their shared ancestry as canids. However, a closer examination reveals that the dire wolf was heavier, stockier, and possessed a significantly more powerfully built frame. Its bones were denser, its muscles more pronounced, suggesting a creature adapted for immense strength. Standing approximately 3 feet at the shoulder, it was a formidable presence. This apex predator weighed up to 150 pounds, a testament to its robust physique. That's 25% heavier than even the largest modern gray wolves, showcasing the sheer mass the dire wolf carried. This extra weight wasn't just fat, it was muscle and bone, built for a life of hunting large prey. Its legs were noticeably shorter and sturdier than those of a gray wolf, a key adaptation to its lifestyle. This build was optimized for strength and stability, rather than outright speed and agility over long distances. It was a powerhouse, designed to bring down large prey in brutal, close-quarters combat. The dire wolf's massive jaws were a defining feature, a testament to its predatory prowess. These powerful jaws, equipped with thick, robust teeth, could effortlessly crush bone with ease, allowing it to extract every last bit of marrow from its kills. Interestingly, recent DNA studies have revealed a surprising truth. The dire wolf wasn't actually a close relative of the gray wolf, as previously assumed. Instead, it was a more distant cousin, sharing a common ancestor further back in time. Their evolutionary paths diverged significantly, with its lineage splitting nearly 6 million years ago, marking a distinct chapter in canine evolution. The dire wolf represents the last of an ancient and uniquely American canine line, a lineage that evolved and thrived in isolation for millions of years. Therefore, its similarities to gray wolves are a fascinating example of convergent evolution, where unrelated species develop similar traits in response to similar environmental pressures. While its exact coat color remains a mystery, it likely ranged from shades of gray to brown or even reddish hues, providing effective camouflage within its diverse North American habitats, from forests to grasslands. Picture a wolf, as long as a man is tall, a truly imposing figure on the landscape. This creature possessed a broad, powerful head and a bone-crushing bite force that would have been the envy of any predator. The dire wolf was a uniquely American super predator, a dominant force in its ecosystem. It was meticulously engineered by evolution to hunt the megafauna, the giants of the Ice Age, creatures far larger and more formidable than any prey available today. It was undeniably a wolf, but amplified in every way, a testament to the power of natural selection in a world teeming with giants. The dire wolf, an imposing figure of the Pleistocene Epoch, was a hypercarnivore, meaning that meat constituted a significant portion of its diet. They were apex predators, perfectly adapted to thrive in a world teeming with massive herbivores. They heavily relied on large herbivores like the ancient bison, a staple food source that roamed the vast landscapes of North America. These bison were much larger than their modern counterparts, presenting both a challenge and a substantial reward for a successful hunt. Wild horses, another common prey animal, also provided sustenance for the dire wolf packs. These horses were built for speed and endurance, requiring the wolves to employ cunning strategies to bring them down. And opportunistic as they were, They would even target young mammoths, vulnerable members of a species that otherwise would have been too dangerous to approach. These calves represented a high-risk, high-reward opportunity for a pack of dire wolves. Fossil evidence meticulously gathered from various sites shows they specialized in hunting megafauna, the giant animals that characterized the Ice Age. Their skeletal structure and tooth morphology clearly indicate a predator designed for taking down large prey. To successfully hunt these massive creatures, dire wolves relied on teamwork and sophisticated pack strategies, a testament to their intelligence and social organization. This collaborative approach was essential to take down such massive prey, animals that dwarfed even the largest modern predators. A single dire wolf, no matter how strong, simply couldn't bring down a bison or other large herbivore on its own. But a coordinated pack, working in unison, was a formidable force, capable of overwhelming even the most powerful of prey. They likely ambushed or isolated prey, targeting vulnerable individuals or those separated from the herd. Once they had their target, they used their incredible strength and crushing jaws, equipped with teeth designed for tearing flesh and breaking bones. This combination of power and strategy allowed them to overpower and kill prey much larger than themselves. The Brea tar pits, a treasure trove of Ice Age fossils, reveal that dire wolves were not only skilled hunters, but also opportunistic scavengers, never passing up a chance for an easy meal. They were frequently drawn to trapped animals struggling in the sticky asphalt. In their eagerness to scavenge, they sometimes became trapped themselves, a tragic end for these apex predators. Their powerful jaws allowed them to efficiently break open carcasses, accessing the nutrient-rich marrow within the bones. They would crush bones for marrow, a vital source of fat and energy, especially crucial during the harsh winters of the Ice Age. This thorough consumption left little to waste, maximizing the nutritional value of every kill or scavenged meal. This adaptability, the ability to both hunt and scavenge, was key to their survival in a challenging environment. They thrived in a harsh, competitive world where resources were scarce and survival depended on strength, intelligence, and adaptability. Dire wolves made the most of every kill, consuming nearly every part of the animal. This ensured nothing was wasted, a crucial strategy for survival in a resource-limited environment. Their specialized diet and hunting strategy made them masters of consumption in the Ice Age, perfectly suited to exploit the megafauna that dominated the landscape. The dire wolf was built to hunt, kill, and devour the giants of its time, a testament to the power of natural selection in shaping a formidable predator. With its powerful jaws, strategic hunting techniques, and adaptability, the dire wolf reigned supreme as the ultimate super predator of its era. As a top predator, the dire wolf was a keystone species, shaping the balance of its ecosystem. By preying on large herbivores, it kept their populations in check, preventing overgrazing and maintaining healthy landscapes. Selective predation targeted the old, sick, or weak, strengthening prey populations through natural selection. The dire wolf's kills fed a host of scavengers, coyotes, foxes, vultures, and condors, distributing energy throughout the food web. Its bone-crushing jaws ensured even the last scraps were consumed, leaving little to waste. The dire wolf regulated and supported the entire ecosystem, influencing the evolution and survival of countless species. Its disappearance would have sent shockwaves through the ancient landscape. The health of the Pleistocene world was tied to the howl of the dire wolf. As a guardian of the plains, its presence shaped the fate of the American megafauna. The dire wolf's role was vital and irreplaceable. For over 200,000 years, the dire wolf dominated the Americas until it vanished around 13,000 years ago. Its extinction was part of the Quaternary event, which wiped out most of the world's megafauna. Rapid climate change at the end of the Ice Age transformed habitats, shrinking grasslands and decimating large herbivore populations. The dire wolf, specialized for hunting giants, found itself with dwindling prey and an environment it couldn't adapt to. Its robust build, once an advantage, became a liability as smaller, faster animals replaced the megafauna. The more adaptable gray wolf survived while the dire wolf starved. Competition from humans, skilled hunters with advanced tools added further pressure. The dire wolf faced a cascade of challenges: climate change, prey collapse, and new predators. Even the most powerful predator can be vulnerable when its world changes too quickly. The direwolf's extinction is a lesson in the fragility of survival. The direwolf's story, a tale etched in ancient bones and frozen landscapes, continues to surprise us, revealing new insights with each discovery, challenging our preconceived notions about these magnificent creatures. From its unique DNA, a blueprint of a bygone era, to its rich fossil record at Brea, a treasure trove of paleontological wonders, its ancient lineage, separate from gray wolves, a distinct branch on the tree of life, rewrites our understanding of canine evolution, forcing us to reconsider the relationships between species. Fossils show dire wolves suffered and survived serious injuries, a testament to their resilience and strength, hinting at complex social bonds and pack care, suggesting a level of cooperation and empathy we often underestimate in extinct animals. But why does this extinct predator matter today? What lessons can we glean from its long-lost existence? The dire wolf's fate is a cautionary tale, a stark reminder that even the most successful species, apex predators ruling their domain, can fall to rapid climate change and ecosystem collapse, a fate driven by environmental shifts beyond their control. Specialization, while powerful, allowing them to thrive in specific niches, can be a fatal flaw when the world shifts, rendering specialized adaptations obsolete. The dire wolf story highlights the intricate connections within ecosystems, the delicate balance between predator and prey, and the consequences of their unraveling, leading to cascading effects that can topple entire food webs. Studying its rise and fall teaches us, providing invaluable insights about resilience, adaptation, and the limits of survival, lessons that resonate deeply in our current era. As we face our own environmental challenges, grappling with a rapidly changing world, the dire wolf's legacy is a warning, a stark reminder of the potential consequences of inaction, and a call to protect the natural world, to safeguard the biodiversity that sustains us all. Its echo reminds us, a haunting melody from the past, the wild is fragile and its lessons are urgent, demanding our immediate attention and unwavering commitment.